Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Today we're on our Boston Whaler 28 Outrage. This is a 2018 model. This one's powered with a twin 350 Verado 4-strokes. This is a supercharged 4-strokes. So I'm going to just start in the back here, show you around a little bit. On the starboard side here, you've got a nice clean walkway getting in and out of the boat with a swim ladder that's concealed below that hatch right there. Lift that up and you've got a nice 4-step ladder under there. As you board the boat, then you can rinse the dirt off your feet or the salt water out of your hair, because you've got a freshwater shower right back there on the back. You've got rod holders across the back of the boat, 3 right here. And then you've got 3 in the gunnels in each side, 2 in your leaning post right here, and 5 more shotgun rod holders on the T-top. Plenty of rod holders on this boat. Boston Whaler's also thinking about your comfort too, so they've put this really nice seat in the back of the boat. Nice thing about Whaler's seats is that they're real easy to deploy. So all you do is grab that, give it a little pull, and it's out. There's no legs to fold down, no cushions to install, nothing like that. And look at the size of the hardware on here. This is heavy duty stuff. That's 3/16L laboratory grade stainless steel. That's the same stainless steel that scalpels are made out of in the hospital. That's high quality stuff right there. It's expensive. It's a lot more expensive than the industry standard. You want to put the seat away? It stows just as easily. On the port side of the boat, you've got a live well. Blue interior, keeps your bait calm. On the leaning post, you have a second live well. Now, if you're not using those live wells to keep bait alive, they're insulated, so you can use them as a cooler as well. So they've kind of got a dual purpose for them. Down below here, you've got a cooler storage on a sliding track so that you can pull your cooler out when you're not using it. You just push it under there, stows away. Freshwater sink right here on your wet bar, on your leaning post. Rod holders underneath the gunnels on both sides. Oh, and look at this. This is a nice big fish box. Look at the size of it. And this is matching fish boxes, the same fish box on both sides. I can climb down in there. I have done it. I can climb down there and close the door. That's a big fish box. And you got 2 of them. When we're moving forward here on this boat, going up to the Helm Station, ergonomics is really good with this boat. I can stand here comfortably. I've got a tilt steering wheel. I've got a nice big area right here to put my electronics. This particular boat has got the Joystick Docking system on it. It's going to love that if you've never used that before. That's going to make your getting in and out of your slip, in and out of the dock, a real pleasure. If you want to get up on top of the seats, look at the nice armrests on here. Look how comfortable this is. Again, your ergonomics with this, everything is just where it lands, right where it's supposed to be. Your arm, the steering wheel, your controls, everything's comfortable. Got a nice box up top here, electronics box, place to put your hat, your wallet. Maybe you're going to hang your VHF radio from up there. If you look at this T-top on here, this T-top is not an afterthought. It's not just one that was built by a manufacturer that'll fit on multiple boats. This T-top was made for the 28 Outrage. You can see how it's integrated with the console. The poles aren't pushed out here into your aisle, taking away walkway room for them. Look at the beautiful bends on that. Look how heavy duty that is. That just says Whaler all over it. Right here, trolling seat. So if I want to just sit here and watch my lines, what a great place to sit while you're trolling, or if you're just riding out somewhere. Look down below and you've got a marine head. Plenty of space down in there, lots of headroom. Going forward, look at the size of this storage for a 28-foot boat. That's just cavernous there. Designated place for a couple of nice buckets. You've got some steps to get down inside there. But then look at the lounger seat that you've got here. 2 people can sit very comfortably next to each other. Put down your armrests. I mean, take a look at this for a ride out. How comfortable is that? Then you've got a nice seating up in the bow area here too. Drink holders where they're supposed to be. Grab handles where you need them. Open up the front here, and this is where your windlass is at. And you've got a remote right here that you can run your windlass from up here in the front. Look at how beautifully finished off that is. This just screams Whaler right there. Fit and finish, Whaler's all about it. That and being overly built. This is the Boston Whaler 28 Outrage. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant. Come see it today.